trainer. No, I'm not doing that. Film.
I'm not filming, I was just taking photos.
Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Oh, beauty.
It's because it's warm. I haven't worn it for ages.
Yeah, g'day. So, we're doing a sunrise sesh and Mel's dressed the same as me.
I didn't mean to.
Fuck's sake. You coming, Metcalf?
No.
Oh, he can stay. This is fucked, Mel. What is this? It's a little windy. That was my first little flight with my drone. It's pretty windy, but I think it went pretty well. I'll have a look at the photos later. Alright, well then you do the intro.
Yeah, g'day.
All the adventures here. Well, that's pretty good. We're going to Springbrook. Okie dokie. We're at Springbrook. No, we're at Lamington. We're not going to Springbrook at all, we're at Lamington. And we're doing the 6K walk. So let's see how this goes.
Good. I'll make it warmer.
It's pretty cold. Should have worn jumpers and pants.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Freezing.
Good outlook. That's a
Yeah.
good photo.
Whoa. Yeah, right.
Gosh, it hasn't changed though.
What do you think, Mel?
Probably pretty nice, isn't it?
Well, that's cool. I just took the drone out in there. I always get nervous flying around trees when they're above because I've crashed it a few times into trees. And it's brand new and I'm scared of crashing it. For everyone playing at home, it's my friend Sherlock. He just moved here.
Oh, let's definitely do
Yeah. Just after this little tiny little waterfall bit. I was trying to do some long exposures sort of thing with the water moving. Just look like this. I think they came out good. Let me know.
I've got to be careful with my face soon after she's eaten.
Yeah, someone ran him over. We're just driving back down and there's a massive python on the road. He's pretty fucked. I'm gonna drive over the poor bastard and finish him. Dude.
He literally turned towards me and spewed a whole heap of blood.
Yeah, that was pretty gross.
Ugh. Well, you can't really see that, but he just spewed a lot of blood. He's fucked.
Where's he? Did he go down the trail?
I don't know where he
So
must
he can
have.
expand the whole guts.
He must have just hooked it down the hill.
Now we don't know.
Had a go at the car. Scared me.
Straight up. No, I'm not doing that. Fuck off. You film?
I'm not filming. I was just taking photos. That doesn't count. You jumped into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Get him now.
Oh, damn. Well, Sherlock and I are cactus from the walk. Metcalf's not because he slept till 9 instead of getting up to sunrise. And some of us are still trying to skate.